We're gonna go to our house. We're on Malibu now. Hi guys! So we are in LA and I'm going to be vlogging. We're here for a couple days and we just got here right now. It's 2:55. We're on our way to our hotel to check in, and then after we're gonna go to Santa Monica, and later on we're gonna go watch the 50 Shades, what is it? Freed movie in Santa Monica. And I'm so excited because I love those movies and I can't wait to see it. But yeah, we're in traffic right now.
Good old LA traffic.
Yep. Look at that. How far are we?
Forever.
We're like 30
We're
minutes
10
away.
miles away and it's a 30 minute drive.
Yeah.
It's okay. Other than the fact that I have to pee really bad, but.
And we're gonna like get dressed and then head over to Santa Monica. So we just got to our room and we're gonna change our clothes because it's so hot and this sweater is really hot. So yeah. We are in Santa Monica now at the pier.
It's not little.
I still want to get on the roller coaster and the Ferris wheel, but I don't know if we're gonna do that. We're taking some pictures and this is what I'm wearing now. It's this little crop top with some jeans.
Hello.
Yeah, we're just gonna walk around and take some more pictures and we'll see what else we do. The sun is gonna set very soon and we're gonna watch it. I love watching the sunset. It's just so pretty at the beach. There is some good lighting. We're now gonna eat something. We're at Steak and Shake. This is the same one we were at last time that we came. And we got some burgers and we're just waiting for food. And it got cold outside. I'm really hungry. We have like 3 hours till the movie starts and we don't know what else to do. Just gonna go around. I think we're gonna go to Urban Outfitters. Thank you. We got our food.
Voila. Wait.
Fries. And burger. We got a barbecue one. Oh my god, it looks so good. And now we're going to... Yeah. We're now at Urban Outfitters, looking around. Those are cute. Everything here is cute. I just want everything. We're in the guy section. We're at the movies now. We're waiting for the movie to start. We got some popcorn, some drinks, and I have my jalapenos. And we're just waiting. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so good. I know it's gonna be so good. Are you excited? I love these. Just like, I'll let you guys know how it is.
So we're back from the movie. Girlfriend on the other hand fucking loved it. She cried. It was a good movie. I recommend you watch it. It's midnight. Tomorrow we're gonna go fly in a helicopter. We're gonna do a helicopter tour of LA. And we're gonna go also to Malibu. Right?
Mm-hmm. Hi guys, so it's the next day. I'm gonna add this day with yesterday because there wasn't like enough footage, I think. And today we're gonna go on a helicopter ride and I'm so excited. It's gonna take us all over Hollywood, I think. And yeah, so I'm so excited about that. It's 9:41 and we need to be there by 10:45. We're just gonna start going right now. And then after we're gonna go to Malibu to eat at Malibu Farm. And I've been wanting to go there. So yeah, I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah. Kind of scared, but.
Yeah. It's our first time in a helicopter. I don't think it'll be bad, but yeah. I'm wearing this outfit, just a black top with these pants and some Vans. I'll see you guys when we get to the airport.
second car over your lap, over your shoulder. When we land, stay in the helicopter till the blade stops spinning, about 3 minutes. Doors, pull back with the silver handle towards you. Pull back the latch, down is locked. Okay. Steps in. I'll get you here and I'll put it on the other side.
Cool.
By the end of the night, I can't lie, girl, I'm crumbling down. I wanna fall for you. I wanna fall for you. I wanna fall for you. Yeah, I wanna fall for. I wanna fall for. I wanna fall for you.
So we're done with the helicopter thing. It was so cool. We got to see the Hollywood sign and some like celebrity houses. We saw Zac Efron. Who else?
JT, Justin Timberlake.
Justin Timberlake. The Iron Man
House. Iron Man.
And
Brad Pitt, Angelina Jolie.
Yeah. All of those. And it was really fun. It was really cool. And now we're at Malibu. We're going to Malibu Farm to eat. And I'm starving. I'm so hungry. We're on Malibu Farm now, and this is what we got. I got the broccoli chicken quesadilla with an iced tea, and he got a burger. Yeah. Are those potatoes?
Huh?
Are they potatoes?
I think so.
Yeah. And we're going to eat. So now we're looking at some houses that we wanted to come and see, and they are so pretty. Can you see that? That's one of them. There's 3. There's one over there. And we already looked at the one right there. And I'm not gonna like show you guys inside because I just want to like enjoy it without having to vlog. But yeah. Now we came to the observatory. We just got here. We had to like walk a lot. Well, not that much, but it was
not as much as San Francisco. That was a lot.
I know. And it's pretty. The sun looks pretty. The sunset, it looks so pretty. There's the Hollywood sign all the way over there. I don't know if you can see it. And yeah, the lights look really pretty. We're waiting in line to go inside that. It's a telescope.
It's a telescope.
At the view. Oh, we're moving. We're moving. We moved like a 1 foot. The view is so pretty. It looks way different on camera. It's like really dark in real life, but in the camera it looks it's like I don't know.
Isn't any light that it can find.
So now we're back at our hotel room. We ended up not going inside the telescope thing because it was taking forever. And we are really hungry. We just ordered some pizza, some Domino's, and we're waiting for it to get here. While it gets here, I think I'm gonna go shower and take off my makeup and everything. And then we're gonna eat some pizza and just chill here. And probably go to bed. We are tired. I will be vlogging tomorrow again, but it's gonna be a separate vlog. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and don't forget to like it and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.